Yo, what's up guys? In today's video, we are playing natural disaster. Let's just see what. As a quick reminder, like and subscribe, right? Okay, we are in Factor Frenzy. Factor Frenzy it is. Just watch the video and relax, and yeah. Okay, let's get over here. Yo, what's up, virus? Let's stay here, bro. Let's stay here. Yeah, this place is cozy. Let me go up here. Nope, can't get up. Let's just hide here. We're not trying to die. Okay. Right. Oh my god, bro. I hate this thing, bro. Always keep doing that. No, not again, bro. Get back, bro. Get back. Yo, hello. Let me change it. Okay, change. Let's change it. Yo, okay, we're back. Right. So, right, I'm back. I just go to see a recruitment. Oh, yo, what the? Hide. Yo, we survived. Let's go. What the heck, bro? No. So many cheaters, bro. Literally, bro. I don't know, maybe they have skill issue. Right? Let's push this guy. Let's go. Whoop. Whoop. Alright. Okay. Get up here. Okay, let's go up. Go up, man. Go up. Right, get in. Let's go up those rockets. Let's try this rocket. Oh, it's full. Oh, there's no pull. Right. Let's try this rocket, man. It's starting. Pull that. Okay, let's go. Wee. No, don't jump. Man, oh, we got a badge. Why did bro jump? We're dead. Yep, we are dead. Dying. Right. This is kind of fun. Man, let me change my setting. I can see. Right. Okay, now I can see. I'm so lucky. Damn. I just followed that guy and I died, bro. Man. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. So, yeah. Right. This Look at this cheater, bro. Hacker. Bro, swimming. Let's ride him, bro. Let's ride him. Okay, right. Uh, ride. Whoever moves first is gay. Nope, not moving a single inch. Not moving. Okay, we moved that, but yeah, let's still go. Done, bro. Done, bro. Okay, they move. So yeah, they move now. Okay, let's go. Oh, let's throw some people over here. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Alright, so let's go over here. Oh, bro, he's gonna die. Oh, he died. This guy is he's going to die. Watch. He's scared. Look at him, bro. Bro is scared. Bro. Bigger karma, bro. Man, I got karma. Like, bro. Heck, we died. Karma is real, I guess, bro. Karma is real. Okay. No, I'm not okay, bro. Karma, keep going. Damn. Let's go. Alright, next round. Okay. So let's get in with this Ferris wheel. Yo, man. Alright. Oh, I got a partner. Hey, what's up, bro? How's your day, bro? What's up, man? Yeah, what's up, man? You good, bro? You good? You good? No, well, I'm speaking to myself, bro. So, we're just alone. I mean, two of us together. Yeah, where did bro go? I'm all alone now. Man. Oh, okay, I almost got hit by lightning there. Okay. I'm alone. I'm afraid to die. No, I think the first will move an inch, and then I fell down. Bruh. Let's go. I almost fell. Okay. What's up? Yo, oh, we're going to heaven. Oh yeah, survive. You, another one. Well, let's follow Crash out, bro. Yo, let's do that again, man. Come over here, bro. Let's go. I'm so lucky, bro. Come here, bro. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Yo, man. Let's go. Yo, where did bro go? I think I just killed, bro. He died, bro. I commit a murder. Let's run, bro. Let's run, mo. I commit a murder. Run. Oh, it's acid. Let's stay here, bro. Right, let's stay here. Oh, what's up, Leo? What's up, bro? Let me sit on your head. No, oh my god. Acid turning the ceiling. Oh, you. Oh. What the? Yo, my god, yo, I'm gonna die, yo. Yo. Man, oh man. Yo, I'm low HP, let's go. Yo, wait for me. I'm dead. I'm dead, bro. My god, bro. Damn. Okay. New map. Let's go. Let's try going to Mars. Let's go. Fast. I want to go to Mars. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Go. Push the let's go to Mars. Somebody push the button. I click the button. Yo. Somebody click the button, bro. Leo, click the button, bro. We going now, bruh. We died, man. Leo, you are suck, bro. You didn't pull the button. Push the button. Fine, I get the horse now. No, bro, is so holy. Nah, bro, we'll leave that guy alone, bro. Leave that guy alone. He crazy. Bro, so weird, man. Like, free, bro. Weird, like, okay, another map. Yo, guys, don't mind my editing when just don't mind the editing in the cut. Yeah, okay, bro. So, okay, let's get this here. Take cover over here. Let's go, bro. Let's go meet this freak again, bro. Ayo. Stop me like that, bro. Stop looking me like that, bro. Hello? No. Bro is... Not say that, bro. Bro is Drake, bro. No. Yo, stop looking at me like that, bro. No, bro. Yo. What at me, bro. Why looking at me like that, bro? Nah, bro. Gotta go run, man. 3, 2, 1, run, bro. No, no, she, bro, she. Run. Let's go run. Let me go run, man. Survive, let's go. So, I guess I'm gonna end the video here. And you better like and subscribe. So, goodbye.